Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. It is all about Lisa Eldridge. I've got lots of things to show you. We've got 2 lipsticks, 2 glosses, 2 brand new blushes, and 2 brand new highlighters to try on, to swatch, and to talk about. So if you want to see how this all came together and what this incredibly stylish thing is on my head, just keep watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we get started with this really exciting Lisa Eldridge video, I have to quickly talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am wearing our olive silk twill skinny scarf. Now they are double-sided, which means at some point during the video, I'm gonna flip it to the other side like I've done with other videos, but this side is the olive side with the beige stripe. And we do design all of our silk products, and I wanted something on the one side that was not too over the top, but a little different from the solid side. And so we settled on stripes, complementary colored stripes that I think really work out. So if you wanna check out any of our silk twill skinny scarves, they come in lots of colors, and we have some with really cool prints that we've also designed. You can visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. The links will be in the description below. I am so excited for this Lisa Eldridge release. Lisa Eldridge is, I just love me some Lisa Eldridge. And if you don't know who she is, where have you been? She is a famed makeup artist, but one of the things I love about her too is she's a true makeup historian. So she's not somebody who just throws out products or talks about products with no prior knowledge. She has studied her craft, the history of it, and where it is now, and the things that people need now. So she takes all of that knowledge and she applies it to making her products, which I completely appreciate. So we know we're gonna see that passion in her products. So this is how my products came, okay? In 2 of her now famed little velvet pouches. They're awesome. This one, it has her signature on it, as does the red one, and I got 2 of each things that she just released. So this time we're gonna try out 2 highlighters, 2 blushes, 2 lipsticks, and 2 glosses. All right, so if you don't know, she started with lipstick, she started with lip products, and now she's evolving to the face, which is exciting. And I had her, you can see it on my channel, I've covered her lipsticks and her lip liners, and now we're moving on to the face, and it's really exciting. So here's her packaging, okay? Have the gold writing, her signature, and each product comes with the same packaging, just different sizes, okay? So really beautiful, chic, elegant packaging. These are the blushes, okay? They come in a tube. There's a clear cap here, and you can see the colors that you are using here, okay? So a nice squeezy bottle. These are liquid products, which I'm also excited for. Here are the highlighters, beautiful frosted glass bottles, and I have 2 of these, like I said. So we'll get into those. It does say Lisa Eldridge on the front in her gold writing. We have 2 of her lip products, lip glosses, which I have reviews for the things that I've tried on my channel already that you can find. So 2 new lip glosses for me. 1 new color, one's an older color that she brought back that I missed out last time. And then we have 2 new shades of lipstick, which I'm excited to get into. One of the reasons to follow Lisa on YouTube and on Instagram is she's very thorough about breaking down all her products before they're available to purchase. So you know what you're getting, and she talks you through it before you purchase. Now, what I remember her saying about the blushes, now this one is Island Glow. What I remember her saying about these blushes is a little bit goes a long way. So I'm not trying to do too much, okay? Even this might be too much, and I might take it from yes, it definitely is. I'm gonna take it from my hand to put on my face, okay? So this is Island Glow. Beautiful, beautiful pop of color that I'm excited to see on. And then for this side, I'm going to use Celestial Fire. Again, this is the highlighter. We're gonna use that to go with the Island Glow blush. Look how big and chunky this wand is. Again, a little bit goes a long way, okay? So this is the This is gonna be so good. I've seen it on Deep Skin, beautiful on her models. So this is Celestial Glow, okay? Oh no, Celestial, let me not get that wrong. Celestial Fire. So Celestial Fire and Island Glow, these two, let's get these on my cheeks now. Look at this side of my face. Just look at this side of my face. Up to the eyes. Then compared to this side, not as exciting yet. This side is giving. This side is giving glowy goddess fabulousness, wonderfulness. It's not emphasizing. It's giving color. It's giving light, but not in an overwhelming way. Oh my God. And I took both of those to the eyes. I went in with the blush first, and then I went in with the glow, so we carried it over, and it's just a natural, beautiful look. But before I get ahead of myself, I'm a little excited, so I need to correctly name these products. I do not like giving the incorrect names of products. So this is Lisa Eldridge's Seamless Skin Enlivening Blush, okay? That is the full name of it, and it's a hybrid formula with skin blurring technology that's packed naturally powerful actives, including rosemary leaf extract, bilberry, and raspberry seed oils. So there's goodness in here. She wants to protect the skin. I forget, there was a technology that she says, and I think it's, I don't remember what product it's in, but it acts as it tightens this area. I think it's the blush. Don't quote me, it's either the blush or the highlighter, that it actually tightens the areas that you put it in. So since it's going up here towards the eyes, an area that those of us with maturing skin know all about, wanting to keep tight, it tightens the area. So it's giving you this like beautiful, almost like lifted. Okay, so here is Dante's Dream, the other blush that I got, which I'm so excited to try. And then this is Island Glow. Interesting though, the consistency of Dante's Dream was looser than Island Glow. So actually I'm gonna check with them after I shoot this video about what the consistency difference is about. It may be just a case of shaking it up. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna definitely write them to see. But here are the two beautiful colors, and I'm excited. I'm excited to try this on. Let's take a look at the other highlighter. Okay, so here is Solar Light, which is a beautiful light gold color. And then here's Celestial Fire again, which is a more bronze color. So this is the one we're gonna try on now. This is the one that's on this cheek here. So the more bronze color. Now we're gonna go with the lighter gold. Both colors are brown girl friendly, in case you're wondering. I saw them on the models and I think that they're both beautiful. This is not to say other skin tones can't wear it. Obviously you can wear what you want, but I wanted to point that out in case there was any question about that. obsessed. How beautiful is this side? So we have Dante's Dream, which is more of like a plummy rose on me, and then that lighter highlighter in Solar Light. Beautiful. I also took Solar Light down the nose, a little on the chin, and over here above the brow bone. So beautiful this side. And I did the same thing, both colors, the Dante's Dream and Solar Light is on this eye. And then over here we have the Coral Color Story with Island, let's get it right, Island Glow, and then Celestial Fire, that bronze highlighter. So this is so beautiful. It is. And you can build up as you like. If you just want that little bit of flush, you can do that. You can pack more on if you want. The same for the glow, but I feel like this is just looking really, really healthy. It's leaving a really healthy finish, and so I'm going to leave it here. Beautiful, beautiful, and I'm loving it as eyeshadows. Like, everything just works really nicely. Why am I not on an eyelid? End of the year or early next year. After vaccination, of course. But these are really skin-friendly products. There's not a harsh line to be found. Everything is blending out smoothly. As you can see, I intended on using a brush for one side, but the best brushes of all did the trick, and I was able to just tap everything out super easily with my fingers, and so that's what I did. Okay, so as promised, I switched our Breezy Tee Silk Twill Skinny Scarf around, and this is the full olive side, which I absolutely love. A really, really pretty shade. And again, the link to this product and our website and Etsy shop will be in the description below. Okay, so we'll start with the glosses, okay, because they're easier to take off, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna start with the glosses. And first up, we're gonna go with Go Lightly, okay? This beautiful corally color. Now, she had a Go Lightly lipstick that I missed out on, and when she first released these glosses, I don't know why the last second I chose a different one, and I wanted to have this the whole time, so I made sure to get it this time. It's a beautiful coral color that I'm excited to get on the lips. And then the other gloss that I have is Affair, and I'll swipe that for you. Really, really beautiful color. And I also have the Affair lipstick. So I will, how pretty is this? This is a beautiful color. So this is Affair, and the lipstick is gorgeous. And then this one is Go Lightly, which is the more coral color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the glosses on. So first up will be Go Lightly. Second will be Affair. And then the third one, I'm gonna put the Affair lipstick on from an earlier launch. And then I'm gonna put the gloss on top so you can see how they look together. Then I'll come back and chat. Okay, so the glosses are absolutely lovely. One of the notes I wanted to make is that it's a beautiful consistency. They're not thick, super thick. It's a really, the consistency is just right. They're not too thin, they're not too thick, they're not sticky or tacky. It's just a really, really lovely gloss that I like a lot. Okay, so for the first Luxuriously Lucent color, we're trying out Love of My Life, which is this beautiful pink color, like a berry color pink. I like it because it's not so pigmented. It's overwhelming. It's like a nice swatching. It's just a nice wash of color. So I'm excited to get this on my lips. this shade, Love of My Life. It's a beautiful berry shade on me, but if it were full blast of color, I probably wouldn't choose it. It's because it's a lighter wash of color that I really, really love it. Perfect for this time of year. I feel comfortable in it. It's not too bright, and it just beautiful, beautiful texture on the lips, completely weightless. So next up we have Dance Card, which is a really pretty light coral color on me. Okay, very, very pretty, lightweight. I'm excited to see this on now. So this Dance Card is a very, very pretty wash of color. I really, really like it. Super light, something on the lips, but not a lot. I actually think that Go Lightly, the gloss, will look really nice on top this color. So let's put this on now. This is very, very pretty though. I do like it by itself. I could wear it with a liner and then I could top it off with the gloss. So let's see. Oh wow, the gloss gives it just this extra pop of coral goodness. Very, very pretty together. So that was Dance Card with Go Lightly, the gloss on top. So this is the finished look. We have the two, the blush and the highlighter here, and the other blush and highlighters here. We love it. We tried everything on, we swatched, and we've come to the end of the video. So that's it for me, guys. I really do enjoy Lisa Eldridge and her work, and I'm so excited to see where her brand goes next. Loved everything I tried on today. I absolutely loved everything. Everything shows up, every finish. This is not just a skin friendly, these are not just skin friendly products, but it's like skin forward products. So it just enhances our skin and makes it look so beautiful. Natural flushes of color, natural highlights, it just natural glows. Everything looks really, really complimentary on the skin. It highlights the skin in a really beautiful way, and this is really how I love to wear my makeup. I say it a lot. I have fun on videos and I try different things in different colors, but at the end of the day, this more simplified look is always what I'm going for most of the time. So love it. Completely my cup of tea, and I need you to tell me in the comments below if you got anything from this release. What did you get? What are your thoughts on it? Are you planning to get anything in the future? Tell me what you think about Lisa Eldridge. And as always, if you want to check out any of our Silk Twill skinny scarves, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, or any of our silk and linen hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.